Hello. Welcome to the Understanding Reality channel. I'm so happy to see you here. In this video, I will present the solar system to you, my valued viewers, in a simple and calm way. If you stay with me throughout the video, you will learn many things about the solar system that you didn't know. So let's begin. We often imagine the solar system as a calm, orderly place. Planets in their lanes, everything stable, a kind of cosmic harmony. But the truth is, it's not calm at all. The solar system is still carrying the chaos of its past: collisions, breakups, half-formed worlds, scattered bodies, and the traces of that chaos are still there. Take asteroids, for example. In movies, they're shown as single, solid chunks of rock. But many of them aren't even solid. Some are barely holding together, loose piles of stones drifting through space. Scientists call these rubble-piles. Something big once broke apart. And later the pieces came back together with a kind of, well, this will have to do. They're full of empty spaces. They spin in strange ways. Under enough pressure they could simply fall apart. Missions like Hayabusa 2 and OSIRISREX went there and saw this firsthand. These objects aren't fossils of the solar system. They're its debris. And this strangeness doesn't stop at small bodies. It reaches deep into the planets themselves. Take Mercury. It's a small planet, but it has an enormous iron core, so large that most of the planet is metal. That means one of two things. Either Mercury survived a massive ancient impact, or it formed extremely close to the Sun, in a region rich in heavy elements. The result? A planet with a paper-thin crust, a metal-heavy interior, a hard survivor of the solar system's most violent days. Venus tells a very different story. It looks almost like Earth's twin. But there's one strange detail. Venus has no moon. Maybe it once did, and lost it. Maybe its slow backward rotation makes it impossible to hold on to one. Whatever the reason, Venus moves through space alone. But loneliness isn't everywhere in the solar system. Look at Jupiter and Saturn and you see the opposite. Dozens of moons. Miniature solar systems of their own. Some of these moons burn with volcanoes. Some spray water into space. Some may hide oceans beneath their ice. These aren't frozen rocks. They are worlds that are still alive inside. And all of this exists under the influence of something we can't see. The sun isn't just a glowing light in the sky. It creates a vast magnetic bubble around the entire solar system. This bubble is called the heliosphere. It shields us from the harsh environment between the stars. When Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 crossed this boundary, they entered interstellar space. But are we standing still? Not at all. The entire solar system is drifting through a cloud of interstellar gas. We are not fixed in space. We are moving, quietly, constantly. While all of this happens, the sun itself is anything but calm. At its core, temperatures exceed 15 million degrees. The energy born there takes hundreds of thousands of years to reach the surface. But once it escapes, it reaches Earth in just 8 minutes. So when you look at the sun, you're seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago. And the sun isn't a peaceful light bulb. It erupts. It flares. Dark sunspots appear. At times, the energy it releases can disturb satellites, GPS systems, even power grids on Earth. And yet, in the middle of all this chaos, Earth holds a remarkable balance. Water exists here in all three states: ice, liquid, and vapor. That balance depends on our distance from the sun, our atmosphere, and our axial tilt. The moon quietly shapes this stability. It creates tides. It slows Earth's rotation. And the moon itself isn't completely dead. Moonquakes still occur. a silent body with a faintly beating interior. Farther out, things become even stranger. Pluto's atmosphere comes and goes, forming when it's closer to the sun, freezing and falling back when it moves away. Neptune radiates more energy than it receives. Its interior is still warm. Its winds are among the fastest in the solar system. All of this tells us one thing. The solar system is not a static display. It's a living, shifting system. And perhaps the most striking truth of all, this entire system completes one orbit around the Milky Way every 225 million years. The dinosaurs didn't live long enough to see even one full lap. We are here for only a brief moment in cosmic time, but the place we live in is far more alive than we ever imagined. And maybe understanding the solar system isn't just about understanding planets. It's about understanding our own place in the universe,